Hi, it's Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and in this video, we are going to apply to Stop and Shop. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the home page, and then we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then click on Careers. Now we're going to view the open positions. And then here we're going to search all jobs. So you're going to select that button. And then we're going to search Mount Vernon, New York. You want to click on it. You can change the distance to 5 miles, then click on search. So now here's the search results with a 5-mile radius to Mount Vernon, New York. So we're going to scroll down, and then you're going to take a look at the job titles and then the location. So we're going to find something part-time. So here's a part-time clerk, grocery 0592. So we're going to click on that. Okay, so this was posted May of this year. To read the full job description, I would click on that arrow, that drop down. And then here they're going to have all the job description. So the primary purpose, grocery clerks do a little bit of everything. They stock shelves, create displays, and make sure our store stays neat. This is just a general overview of the job duties. You may be asked to assist in other ways too, depending on the needs of your store. You're going to scroll down. Here's the hourly rate, $15 an hour. And then what you're going to do is click on Apply Now. Okay, I don't have an account, so I'm going to click on Create an Account. I'm going to type my email. You use a strong password. All right, so you have to, it looks like we have to click here to accept the terms of use. You're going to scroll down, click Agree, and then we can click on that green button, Continue. Okay, so here I'm going to plug in my cell phone number, my address. I'm just going to use the California Road, Mount Vernon, New York, 10552. Then I'm going to click on Next. Okay, question number 2, education history. It says, please provide any additional information you would like us to consider. It looks like I can go to the next, and that is checked off, but let's go back to the education history and let's click on Add. So we would like them to consider that we are a high school student. So let's go here. Let's say if we are, and you can even, let's say some high schools, they have a specialty in fine arts or a business. If you're in like a business sports academy, I know I've taught in one of those types of high schools, or arts. So we'll say no selection, degree type. We're going to go to high school or GED. From, you're going to put, let's say you started high school, I don't know, maybe you're a senior or a junior. So let's say 2000, and then you started September 2021. Click OK. End date, let's say you're still here at high school, so you're not going to put an end date. School name, Mount Vernon High School, or you can just, I would type it out. If it's a local, they'll know, but it looks prettier when you type it out. And then completed, no. So let's see if it goes through. We add, I see a little asterisk over here. We might need to put an entry over here. So let's see what happens. I think that's it. That looks like we want to add another type of school, any kind of, so this could be an other like educational program you might be taking. So you can add another school, anything that refers to your education that you would like them to consider. So we are going to go to next, and let's see if yep, it went through. Now work history. Here, you don't want to just hit, it looks like you just go next, and like upload your resume and hit submit. I would take the time, and if you have any work history, let's say you're going to click on add. Or if you have maybe even volunteer experience, I would add that as well. So let's say last summer, I know a lot of you worked at Rye Playland. So you probably started, let's say July 3rd, let's say, and then maybe you had it for 2 months and you ended August 25th, let's say. Camp ended. All right, so we have up from date. Now we want to change that. July 3rd, click OK, and then go to end date. And then we're going to go to August 25th. Okay, perfect. Type of business. So let's say we are looking for Rye Playland. If you can't find the category, it's more of like a, I would say other hospitality, tourism. I would just go with other. Title. Let's say I was a ride operator. Company name, Ride Playland. I think it's 2 words, Ride Play. You would double check. If you work there, you know how to, make sure your spelling is correct. And then your function. And if you can't find it, just other. It's going to be on your resume. And then click on add if you have another type of job, but let's just say that's the only job, or maybe you've had a babysitting job. Then you would click on next. So you see the checks. This is the most important part. So this is the resume section, and it looks like this application is fairly easy. I don't see any exams or anything like that, which is nice. So you're going to click on upload. And then I have my lesson plan. So this is by default, I'm uploading this items on my desktop. So you would search your computer. Let's just say have your PDF file, whatever it is. Then you're going to click I'm going to just do, that's a too large of a file. I'm curious if this PDF file, if they would take 13 pages, imagine. No, it's too large. Okay, so that's good to know. So you're going to click on upload. You'll probably have a 1-page file of your resume. Let's just, so it's uploading. And I'm not going to submit this, but you see how it says Wendy Tudor's resume? So I got that. Then you're going to click on next. The cover letter, same thing. You're going to click on upload. And this is great because we have both those files, and then you're going to find it on your computer. You're going to click on the file. Let's just say that's your cover letter. Click on open. So now you have 2 files. So you have your resume, your cover letter, and then you're going to click on next. And if you don't have a cover letter, what I would do is you would need to upload. So you could just put your resume, twice, upload the same file twice. And then I would hate to submit, but let's just see update profile. This is my first time doing this. All right, so we have a couple of missing information here. So let's go. And now we're going to fill what's missing. It says school is required, degree is required, major is required, completed is required, and major. So it looks like we're talking. So we're going to go through it and we're going to see any of those asterisks. So we're going to go next. It looks like it was all okay. So this area, you see how we left this second area? So we want to remove it. All right. So this we need some sort of major. We're currently a high school student. So in our school, we have different areas where they could do like culinary. If there is culinary, it relates to Stop and Shop, right? You could probably work as a clerk and then get promoted to the bakery department. So if they have like a culinary category, that would be cool to select. If not, let's go see what they have here. Any kind of food, computer science, like a business. Obviously, you're all taking my business class, so I would just put business because I do a lot with a business major. All right, so perfect. So we have that. It's required. The degree, completed, that is required. Hit no, and then you're going to click on next. All right, let's see what else are we missing. We're going to click on next. Next, next, update profile. Update profile success. All right, so we're going to dismiss that. All right, so now we're on this page. You're going to see your name is there, my email, my cell phone, preferred method of communication. It's not required because I don't see the little asterisk. So you don't have to. If you wanted to click on it, you can say, have them, call you on the mobile, on your cell phone. I wouldn't put email because I think I asked you guys to use your school email address. So they might, if you select that, I'm not sure if you're going to receive emails only because a lot of the school time, like a lot of the time students, you guys are restricted to email outside email accounts and stuff like that. So I would say I would put cell phone, like call yourself. Are you at least 18? So this is required. You can put yes. A lot of you are under the age or no. So you're going to select no. Now this is the most important, in my opinion, the shift availability. You're all students. I know from my experience working at the Gap, I just put I'm available to work anytime. And there were nights when I would stay till like 3 a.m. So you really want to be specific, obviously, when you are under the age of 18. And I was over 18 years of age, but there are laws, so they're not going to keep you there, after a certain time. And especially if it's a school night. So you want to make sure you can say, not available. Let's say you're not available Monday through Friday, and you're just looking to work on the weekends. So not available, not available, not available. And then Saturday, you just want to work, I don't know, it could just be in the morning. So just day, not the evening. So Saturday morning and then Sunday morning. How's that? Comments, I can work from, let's say, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on the weekends. So you can be specific. 1 day a week, 2 days, whatever your availability is. And then over here, you're going to go, yes. Do you or will you in the future require sponsorship? Not that I know of for a work visa. Have you been known previously by any other names? No. Were you ever employed by any other company owned by that? No. This is probably your first or second job for some students. Do you have any friends or relatives? I wouldn't know that, but you would answer either yes or no in that company. I think I have an aunt actually who works for Stop and Shop. How did you learn of this opportunity? You can, let's see, other, your teacher, I don't know. However, you just have an assignment, no selection. I think we have to put something in there? Yeah, there is a star there. So you can put, gosh, let's see. Career Builder is a popular, a referral. So I told you about this. Just click on referral. Maryland. Okay, so what is this? And that doesn't apply. Massachusetts. Nope, nope. And this is required. So you're just going to, it says signature, but you're just going to type your name. Check your punctuation. Then you're going to scroll down. This is saying, what is this? Work Opportunity Tax Credit. No, I'm a veteran. No, I haven't do one or more. No, this doesn't apply to you. And then you don't have to click on this. This is not, you don't see the little star. You don't have to let them know if you're a male or female or your race or ethnicity. No selection. Perfect. And then the last thing you're going to do is just click apply.